все.
Shift machining.
Пока отключу свое видео. Блин, а как сделать на весь экран?
Go to the next workshop.
Okay.
Speaking. One question. What is this?
Hello. Okay, what we now?
Где ты сидишь?
Lacking a rear. The new equipment just replaced from last year. The blades are all CNC typesetting, fully automatic laser cutting machine. The equipment can automatically, quickly, and complete the cutting task, avoiding the error of manual cutting, ensuring the cutting consistency of the quality. No need for the secondary treatment. Okay. Next, we will see our robot welding.
Sorry.
17 years ago, we have introduced the robot welding process. We just only need to set the program and the rolling track, and the welding work can be completely according to the program. We can achieve different
可以工作吗？
intermittent work. Welding speed can and precision are much higher than manual welding, saving our labor costs and ensuring a more stable production schedule. The hosting by our
Жарко тут капец.
Как зовут вас?
У тебя микрофон включен. Я выключу. Ну, выглядит прям под вентилятором.
and for the impeller, we also use the same process.
Ну, какой-то.
Greatly improve the quality of our impeller.
Ебать, ну там, по крайней мере, шум, гам. Знаете, сварка какая-то, я так понял. Угу. Велдинг.
The impeller will put here, and the robot will
Спики надо
welding
решать.
here.
Косячь.
Okay.
Да, очень неудобно, блин.
we will
Нет,
make
не
impeller
сделано на
dynamic
весь
balance
экран.
test.
Я не могу вот это.
Impeller dynamic balance test.
Ну, это бред, конечно, полный. Ну, на Microsoft они удобно. Zoom, Skype, там варианты понимаем. В Zoom, кстати, нормально более адекватно. О, колесо катают. Блин, жарко, капец, я сейчас разгляну. Взяла, выключила.
According to the result of the running test, and proceed to the next step after reaching the G6.3 dynamic balance level.
Ну, у них бы не было, да, что-то такого.
人工和那个人工和那个 For this side, we have manual building. Manual building. Each master builder has obtained a senior certificate and has more than 30 years of working experience. They are making a clean work, and tomorrow there is a conference in our factory. And some symbol work will be made in this part. Okay, the yellow machine you see is the short blasting machine. It can clean the steel completely, so that the rust layer, building slag, skill, and dirt on the surface of steel can be quickly removed. Short blasting machine.
Яна, попробуй пока видео свое
And we can see some product after short blasting. You can see this one. This whole thing.
Да, косячно, конечно. Просто ни о чем получается.
It improves the adhesion between the paint film and the
Да это вообще.
and the durable of the steel. Weld steel is more uniform and beautiful. No weld spatter improves our production quality.
Looks great, yeah.
It also can prolong its service life. You know, many manufacturers will not carry out this process to save their cost. And after the short blasting, it will be sent to the spring booth for printing treatment.
Что увидели?
Then after the paint, we will
Им так скажем, потому
have a test. The first test is about the
что улетаем.
temperature rise, vibration, current, and simple test. If the simple test is qualified, we will have a laboratory test for some performance items, including the airflow, pressure, speed, motor power, noise, and energy efficiency.
Там проходит
Okay. And you can see the laboratory.
Экран сбивает. Мгм.
The fan performance test room is over 2,000 square kilometers.
И потом постараюсь
Meters.
вот это
Square meters.
записывать. Да, я
Ты смотри, там что-то.
смотрю.
Короче, Teams это самый
The fan energy efficiency performance test laboratory has complete mode and excellent testing equipment.
Для Zoom удобнее. Лучше там.
We'll test 8 items, including the airflow, pressure, speed, efficiency, and some other performance indicators. These are the tube. Our fan will connect it to the tube to be like the working conditions. Okay, that's all.
Okay, Kiki, that was very nice. Thank you. We had a general idea now of your factory because
Okay.
it was very difficult to imagine, and now we could see everything by ourselves.
Давай по делу вопрос.
Okay, Kiki, let's discuss the pending issues regarding the letters I sent to you.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you received the letters I sent?
Yes,
yesterday?
I have received your letter this evening early.
Yeah. Yes, we need you to correct everything as soon as possible. Otherwise, it's a mess.
You mean revise the items you mentioned?
Yes, yes. Concerning the fans, we need you to remove the VFD, variable frequency drive. Yeah, because they was not included initially in the scope of supply, and some construction of material of constructions also for some items. Would you please check it again? Okay. Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Yes,
the
and
VFD to remove.
Yes, the variable frequency drive. Yeah.
Yeah, frequency. Yes.
Yes, and regarding the vapor mechanical compressor, we need you also to improve some comments to eliminate the comments which I mentioned to you. Yeah, because now the option B, as far as I remember, this is option B, which is most preferable. But anyway, please check and check everything and revise all 3 options and again send it to us, okay?
Okay, no problem. For the mechanical vapor compressor, right?
Yes, for the mechanical vapor. I sent a big letter. Have you seen that?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
and,
right. I see that.
Yes, and concerning the booster compressor, I replied to all of your questions in the letter.
Yeah, we receive it also.
Yes. Okay. That's. We need you to revise everything and send us as soon as possible. Okay.
Yes.
Especially,
okay. We have checked this morning.
Yes. In particular, the fans, because this is the most urgent. project.
Okay,
We need.
we know that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Got
Денис,
it. Got your meaning.
a big please, friend. Денис, if you hear us, let us know if you have some questions about the factory or other questions. Would you be so kind?
Most of the questions was already shown by Jan, so I just maybe would like to ask concerning double inlet fans, because I just saw inlet single inlet fans in your workshop, and is it possible for you to make test for double inlet fan?
Oh, 怎么了? Sorry, I cannot hear very clearly just now. You mean the double inlet fan?
Yeah. In your workshop, I showed just single inlet fans, and you show laboratory for testing with fans. Is it possible to make the same test for the double inlet fans?
Maybe could you please type words? It cannot be understood totally. Maybe send a WhatsApp
Видим,
message.
что с одним входом вы тестируете, ну, типа с двумя входами.
Yeah.
Вентилятора, там, два входа.
WhatsApp message.
Kiki, have you understood the question of Denise?
The question from Dennis, you mean?
Yes, he is interested if you can test also two inlet fans in the laboratory.
You mean test the fan in our laboratory, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
There's two inlets.
Little big. Little. The biggest is 900. More than 900 kilowatts.
Okay. Need to check with our technical team, and then we'll answer you by email.
Okay.
The biggest okay. The biggest one, 900 kilowatts is not. Yeah, it's too big to test in the laboratory room. Yeah.
Yes. So you are limited by electrical power at your workshop. I mean, in testing workshop.
Oh, in our the laboratory test is cannot test all kinds of fans. For some big power fan blower, it can just be test running in the site, in customer site. You know that. Yeah.
What?
We know that.
What about mechanical test for big fans? I mean, just running test.
Running test.
Running test.
Running test. Okay 吗？
Running test OK 吧？不行，太大了，那个功率。
Running test.
On the minimum speed.
Okay. Let me apply for you. Okay.
Okay, Kiki. It's Igor. Let us know all the detailed information about your factory, please, because we should show it to our end user. I need to check all the detailed information about your factory, like electricity power, like testing and other information. Thank you.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, thank you very much. We will be waiting for your reply then, okay, concerning all the pending issues. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. And we'll
Thank
be
you
we'll
all.
keep in touch.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
friend.
you very much for your
Bye-bye.
presentation.
Yeah.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice day. Thank you.
Okay.
See you. And take care of yourself.
Bye-bye.
Кто там вылез, блядь, спрашивает, у вас сколько? Позднее зажигание. У вас сколько конкуренции? Виктор, по-моему. Ну что, ты планировщик еще тот. Как выяснилось.
В каком плане?
Это выставка в первый день. Кто ходит в первый день на выставку?
А это не от меня зависело, это же эти